Alright, so good day, grade 9 student. So today, this video will serve as your reviewer for your second quarterly examination. So this video composed of different types of variation, namely the direct, inverse, joint, and combined variation. So we're going to discuss it one by one, then we're going to have an example. Alright, so yung mga example para sa mga different types of variation. So let's start with direct variation. Alright, so here. Alright, so indirect variation, alright, so this have an equation which is y is equals to k o x, okay, na kung saan it is binabanggit in mathematical statement, okay, as read yun. Alright, as y, always y, varies directly equal as kx, where the k is the constant. Ang tawag po kay k ay constant. Ayan. So, tawag po yan kay k ha. That is constant. So, lahat po ng variation, meron tayong k. Alright, so, this equation can be read as y varies directly as x, y varies as x, y is directly proportional to x, and y is proportional to x. So, pag may nakita po kayong mathematical statement na ganyan, it means that it is a direct variation. And after that, okay, to find naman po yung constant indirect variation, all you need to do is using the formula na y is equals to kx. And to find the value of k, we need to divide both sides by x. Okay, so cancel na yan para makuha natin yung value ni k. So, y over x is equals to k. So, para mahanap natin yung value ni k, which is yun ang una natin laging hinahanap, okay, sa mga equation na gagawin natin, ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. Alright, so let's have the first one. Okay, so the first one is, assume that x varies directly as y. So, ito po yun. So, x, ito po magiging natin, varies, ibig sabihin, equals, directly as y, copy x, k, multiply by y. Hala miss, bakit na bago? Pwede po yan mabago. Sinabi ko po yan sa inyo during our discussion na pwede pong magbago si y and x. Pwede po sila magkapalit or pwede pong magbago ng letters. It can be A, B, C, D, and so on. Alright? So, in this case, ito po yung formula natin. Since the equation that we have is x varies directly as y. So, ang tanong po, if x equals to 42 when y is 6, find the value of y when x is 140. So, ang nawawala po ay yung value ni y. Pero before we get the value of y, all we need to do is use this formula, which is y over x is equals to k, to find the value of k. Alright, so substitute lang po natin. The formula that we have is y over x is equals to k. So, ang y natin is, nagkamali si miss. So, since ito po pala yung formula na gagamitin natin, it means that x, baliktad lang po, over y po tayo. Alright, kasi ito po, divided by natin kay y. Alright, para makancel to. So, x over y is equals to k. Alright, so hindi po pala natin itong gagamitin due to y varies directly as x yan. Ang example pala natin is x varies directly as y. Alright, so ito po yung gagamitin natin. So, substitute lang po. X natin is 42 over 6. equals to k. So, 42 divided by 6, answer po is, sige po, sumagot po kayo. So, k natin, the value of our k is 7. So, ayun po. So, k is equals to 7 po. Next, sabi po dito, find the value of y when x is 140. So, using this, using this equation po, meron tayo, which is x is equals to ky. So, all we need to do is to substitute yung mga given equation or given number. Alright, so yung x daw natin is 140 is equals to, ang k natin is 7, then copy y. Then to find the value of y, all we need to do is divide both sides by 7. Alright, so 140 divided by 7, answer is 20. So y, or the value of y in our number 1 mathematical statement is 20 po. Ganun po. Alright, next, number 2. Urong ko lang. Alright, so number 2 po. Kita ba? Ayan, nakita naman. So, number 2 po, y varies directly as x. So, ito na po yung formula talaga natin. So, we have y equals to kx. And to find the value of k, we need to use this formula. Alright? So, yun yung in-explain ko po kanina. Alright? So, wag masyadong malito kay number 1 at number 2 ha. Nagkapalit lang po si x and y. Okay? Pero same pa rin naman po yung procedure na gagawin natin. Alright, so, sabi dito, if y is equals to 6, when x is 2, what is the value of y? Again, y ulit po ang nawawala. When x is equals to 7. So, hanapin muna natin yung value ni k. So, we have k is equals to, substitute, 6 divided by 2. So, k is equals to 3. Very good, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next, substitute natin to find the value of y. So, y is equals to kx. Alright, so to find the value of y, all we need to do is to multiply the constant and the value of x. So, y is equals to 3 multiply by 7. So, y here is equals to 21. Gets? Ganyan po Ganyan po siya kunin. Yan. So, constant first before yung susunod na given. So, next, last for direct. Alright, nakikita ba? Urong ko lang ng konti. Ayan. Alright, so, number 3, b varies directly as a. So, b is equals to k a. Alright, so to find the value of k, all we need to do is to divide b kay a. So sabi dito, if a is negative 3, when b is negative 9, what is the value of a? Okay, yung a ang hinahanap. When b is equals to negative 27. So substitute lang natin. So ang b natin is negative 9 divided by negative 3. So, negative 9 divided by negative 3, answer is positive 3. Because negative divided by negative become positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Alright, so our k is 3. Next, what is the value of a? So, when b is negative 27. So, using this formula, so, we have b, which is negative 27, equals to k, which is 3a. Copy lang po si a. So, since nawawala si a, divide both side by 3 para makuha po natin yung value ni a. So, mawawala po to. So, a na lang po yung matitira dyan, equals to negative 27 divided by 3. So, answer is negative 9. So, the value of a here is negative 9. So, that's how to solve direct variation po. Next, punta naman po tayo for inverse. Alright. So, sa inverse naman po, somehow, baliktad lang ni direct. Alright. So, asa na si inverse, miss? Ayan, miss. Alright. So, sa inverse variation naman po, meron po siyang formula which is y is equals to k over x. Okay, na kung saan binabasa po siya as y varies inversely as x. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, kay direct variation, directly. Kay inverse po, inversely. Alright? So, to find the value of k, all we need to do is to multiply the value of x and y. Alright? So, let's have it. Number 1. Okay, so y varies directly as x. So, lagi mong tandaan na lagi pag unang letter, yun po yung lagi nasa left side. Tapos, equals pag inversely sa baba. So, division of x. Alright, so ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. And to find the value of k, all we need to do is to multiply x and y. So, that is, so if y is equals to 12 when x is 3, find the value of y. Y po ang nawawala when x is equals to 6. Okay, 6 po yan. Nagkamali lang po ako. Patawarin niyo po ako. Alright, so x is 3. Ito po. Tapos y natin is 12. Alright, so sa multiply lang po natin. So k is equals to 36 because 3 times 12 is 36. Next, find the value of y when x is 6. Substitute lang po natin. Y is equals to k over x. So, y is equals to, ang k po natin is 36 divided by the 6. Kasi ito po yun. Alright? So, y is 6. So, ganyan po yung pagkuha naman kay inverse variation when y is missing. Alright? So, next, another example. Yan. So, marami tayong example. Ha? So, number 2, D varies inversely as E. So, D, lagi yan nasa left side, varies inversely, so K over E. Alright, so to find the value of K, all we need to do is multiply D, E. Alright, so if D is equals to 10, when E is equals to 3, find the value of E. E po ang nawawala when D is 5. So, hanapin muna natin yung constant. So, multiply lang po natin yung unang given, which is D is equals to 10, E is equals to 3. Alright, so K is equals to 30. Alright, so nakuha na natin si constant variation. So, hanapin naman natin si E. Balik po tayo sa original formula, which is D is equals to K over E. Then, substitute lang po natin yung given natin when D is 5. So, yung D natin is 5. Ang K natin is 30 over E. Very good. So, since si E ang nawawala, multiply po natin si E doon sa another side, which is si 5. So, this one become 5E is equals to, copy the numerator, which is 30. Then, divide both side by, ano po yung number na katabi ni letter E. Alright? So, that is 5. Makakancel po yan. E is equals to 30 divided by 5 is 6. So, E is equals to 6. Kaya po siya paano i-solve. Next, last for direct, in the inverse variation. Alright, so P varies inversely as Q. So, P is equals to K over inversely po Q. Alright, so to find the value of K pala K, alright, P, Q. Alright, so ganun po yung gagamitin natin. So, sabi dito, if P is equals to 12, when Q is 4, find the value of P when Q is 8. So, ito muna po tayo. Multiply lang po natin. So, K is equals to 12 multiplied by 4. K is equals to 48. So the value of our K is 48. Next, punta po tayo dito. So, sabi dito, find the value of P when Q is 8. Substitute lang po natin. P, sakto. K natin is 48 divided by 8. Ayun. 48 divided by 8. Answer po is P is equals to, very good, 6. So, ayan po yung tamang sagot for the number 3 mathematical statement. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat pala sila 6 ang sagot. Alright? Kakaibang way, pero pare-pareha sila ng sagot. So, ayan po. Ayan po yung sa inverse. Next! Alright. So, joint variation. So, wala pala ako na isa pa. Isa lang yung nagawa ko sa joint variation. Alright. So, joint variation naman po tayo. So, sa joint variation, meron po siyang formula which is y is equals to kxz. So, meron na po tayong tawag dito? Meron na po tayong another letter which is z o z. Alright? Na kung saan nire-read po siya as y varies jointly as x and z. Alright? So, pwede pong gamitin ito na formula to find the value of k, which is k is equals to y over xz. Or simply substitute lang po natin yung given values, then solve sa value ni k. Alright? So, let's have it. A varies jointly. So, laging nandito. A is equals to varies jointly as B and C. So, si K, B, and C. Ganyan po. Ganyan lang po. Alright? So, sabi dito, if A is 12, B is 2, and C is 3, find B if A is 16 and C is equals to 4. Alright? So, substitute lang po natin to find the value of K. Alright, so substitute lang natin. A is equals to 12. Alright, K. B is equals to 2. Multiply by 3. So, 12 is equals to 2 times 3 is 6 times K, 6K. Alright, so lagi pong una yung number kaysa yung letters. Okay? Next, divide both sides by 6. So, K, kasi makakancel na yan, is equals to 2. Alright, so K is equals to 2. So, punta na tayo sa susunod na equation. Find B if A is 16 and C is equals to 4. So, ang A daw natin ay 16 equals to, the value of our K is 2. The value of our B is missing. So, yun po yung nahanap natin. Then, the value of C is 4. So, multiply lang natin yan. Alright, so 16 is equals to 2 times B, 2B, times 4, that is 8B. Alright, so divide both sides. Yung number po, nakatabi ni B. So, 8. Alright, so, cancel po. B is equals to 2. Very good. So, the value of B na hinahanap sa joint variation natin is letter number 2. Alright? Then last but not the least is the combined. Alright, so this one is the combined variation. Namely, meron po siyang, meron po siyang formula which is y is equals to kx over z. So, si combined variation po, that is pinagsamang direct and inverse po. The combination po. So, mapapansin nyo, y is equals to kx, ayan po yung sa direct. Tapos, y is equals to kz, yan naman po yung sa indirect. Alright? So, ayan po. Ayan po yung combined variation. So, pwede po natin siyang ma-read as y values directly as x and inversely as z. Alright? So, let's have an example for that. So, nakikita ba? Alright. So, it is one. So, if h is equals to k x divided by, kasi inversely, m. So, ito po yung ma-create nating formula doon sa mathematical statement natin sa combined variation. Alright? So, if h is 8, 24 yung x, then m is 9. So, substitute lang po natin, ha? So, we have 8 is equals to k. Ang x natin ay 24 divided by 9. Alright. So, ang gagawin nyo po dito, mumultiply nyo po yung denominator, which is 9, doon sa left side number. So, 9 times 8, that is 72, equals to k times 24 is 24k. Next, divide both side by 24. Alright, para makuha natin yung value ni k. So, k is equals to 72 divided by 24. Answer po is 3. Ayan. So, ayan po yung sagot. So, yung k po natin is 3. So, wala na akong formula para mahanap si k. Instead, nilagay lang po natin yung mga given values tapos sinolve lang po natin. Inoperate na po natin siya. Okay? Next, sabi, find the value of m. Ito po ang nawawala. If h is equals to 16 and x is 144. So, using pa rin po the same formula, substitute lang po natin. Yung h daw po natin ay 16. Ang k po natin is 3. Ang x po natin is 144 divided by m. So, parehas lang din po ng ginawa natin dito. Multiply lang po natin yan. So, 16m is equals to 3 times 144. So, answer for this is very good. 432. Divide both side by 16 para makancel na po ito. Alright, so the value of m is equal to 27. Very good. So, ganun po paano isolve si combined variation. Kaya po, please read carefully sorry. Read carefully po yung mathematical statement po or given mathematical statement natin. Last, for combined variation, medyo pastawarin nyo ako sa aking sulat. Alright, so dito if, nakikita ba? So if A varies directly as B and inversely as C. So we have A is equals to KB over C. Ayan. So sabi dito, if A is 6 is equals to K, kasi nahanap pa natin yung value ni K eh. B is equals to 6, okay, over 5. So, tulad lang din ng ginawa natin, multiply lang po natin si denominator doon sa another number. 5 times 6, 30 is equals to 6 times K is 6K. Divide both side by 6. Ayan. So, makakancel po yan. Matitira na lang si K. 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So, the value of our K is 5. Alright? So, using pa rin po yung same formula which is A is equals to KB over C. Ang sabi naman po is find A. So, si A naman po ang nawawala. When B is 18 and C is 30, and C is 2. So, yan pa rin po. A is equals to, K natin is 5. Ang B po natin is 18. Di-divide lang po natin kay 2. So, A is equals to 5 times 18. Ang sagot po ay very good. 90 divided by 2. So, our A is equals to 45. So, ganun po. Ganun po ang pag-solve ng variation. So, we have 4 types of variations. Namely, sorry naman po. Namely, direct, inverse, joint, and combined variation. I hope that this video will help you to learn more about the types of variation. And don't forget to pray for your second quarterly examination. God bless everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.